Hey everyone, Delta Edge here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI stock analysis. Now you guys know I'm all about using data-driven strategies to make smarter investment decisions, and that's where these powerful AI tools come in. Look, the stock market generates an insane amount of data every single day. It's practically impossible for any human to process all of it effectively. That's where AI comes in. AI can sift through mountains of data, spot patterns we might miss, and help us identify potentially lucrative opportunities. In this video, we're going to explore 3 leading AI-powered platforms for stock analysis: Trade Ideas, Tickeron, and Kahoot. We'll break down how each one works, the unique features they offer, and most importantly, how they can potentially help you level up your investment game. So, buckle up and let's get started. Alright, first up, let's talk Trade Ideas. This platform is a game changer for active traders who want to stay ahead of the curve. One of the things that sets Trade Ideas apart is its real-time scanning capabilities. Imagine this. You're sitting at your computer, sipping your coffee, and Trade Ideas is scanning the entire market for you, looking for stocks that match your specific criteria. It's like having your own personal AI assistant working 24/7 to find potential trading opportunities. But it doesn't stop there. Trade Ideas also offers incredibly powerful backtesting features. This means you can test your trading strategies using historical data to see how they would have performed. Think about that for a second. You can essentially go back in time and fine-tune your approach before risking a single rupee in the real market. Now, Trade Ideas does come with a monthly subscription fee, but trust me, the insights and potential gains it can unlock are well worth the investment. In fact, Trade Ideas has shown a remarkable stock-picking success rate of 78% over the past 12 months. That means if you had followed their AI-generated recommendations, you would have had a 78% chance of picking winning stocks. But hey, don't just take my word for it. You can actually try Trade Ideas out for yourself with their free trial. I'll drop a link down in the description box below. Next up, we have Tickeron, another powerful AI platform that takes a slightly different approach to stock analysis. Tickeron specializes in pattern recognition and predictive analytics. What does that mean in plain English? Well, Tickeron's AI algorithms are designed to identify recurring patterns in stock market data. These patterns could be anything from chart formations to news sentiment analysis. By recognizing these patterns, Tickeron can generate predictive signals, essentially telling you which way a stock is likely to move in the future. Now, I know what you're thinking. Predicting the future sounds a little too good to be true, right? And you're right to be skeptical. No AI can predict the future with 100% accuracy. However, Tickeron's track record is impressive. Over the past 12 months, Tickeron boasts a stock-picking success rate of 72%. That means their AI-powered predictions have been right more often than not. Now keep in mind that past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results, but it does give you an idea of the platform's potential. Tickeron offers a range of subscription plans to suit different needs and budgets. They even have a free plan with limited features, so you can test the waters before committing. I'll leave a link to Tickeron in the description below as well. Finally, let's talk about Kahoot, an AI platform that stands out with its unique chi-score. This score, which ranges from 1 to 9, is like a credit score for stocks. The higher the chi-score, the more favorably the AI views the stock's potential. Think of it this way. The chi-score is based on a comprehensive analysis of over 200 factors, including financial data, news sentiment, and even social media trends. It's like having an army of analysts working around the clock to evaluate every single stock and give it a rating. Now, what's really cool about the chi-score is that it's updated daily. So, you're constantly getting the latest AI-powered insights to help you make informed investment decisions. In terms of performance, Kahoot has achieved a remarkable stock-picking success rate of 75% over the past 12 months. Again, that's based on their AI's recommendations. Kahoot offers different subscription tiers, each with its own set of features and benefits. They even have a free trial so you can explore the platform and see the Kai score in action. I'll make sure to include a link to Kahoot in the description below as well. Hey, if you're still watching this, you're a true champion, and I've got a special reward for you. As a thank you for sticking around, I'm giving away a bonus package worth 21,000 rupees to every single one of you. This package includes 10 of my most powerful financial calculators that will help you take control of your money and make smarter financial decisions. To claim your free calculators, all you have to do is take a screenshot of yourself watching this video right now and send it to me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. See you in the next one.